Students, today we are going to start second weekly maths revision. Okay, this revision you have to write in your CW. Now question number 1a, divide. Number 1, 828 divided by 9. So we will write this way, divide. And first of all we have to see the first digit. This is 8. So 8 is smaller than 9. So we can't able to divide. So we will take two digit 82. In 9 table when 82 will come, it will not come. So we will take smaller number. So 9 9s are 81. Now we have to subtract 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. Now 1 is a smaller number. So we have to carry down this 8. So it will become 18. In 9 table when 18 will come, 9 2s are 18. Now we have to subtract 18 minus 18. We will get 0. So our quotient equal to 92. And remainder equal to 0. Now number 2, 957 divided by 3. So first we will see the first digit 9. So 9 is bigger than 3. So we can divide. In 3 table when 9 will come, 3 3s are 9. Now 9 minus 9, 0. Now we will carry down this 5. In 3 table 5 will come? No. So we will write smaller number, 3 1s are 3. Now 5 minus 3, 2. Now this carry down 7. So it will become 27. In 3 table when 27 will come, 3 9s are 27. Now 27 minus 27, 0. So our quotient equal to 319 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 3, 2584 divided by 8. So the first digit is 2. It is smaller than 8. So we will take the 2 digit 25. In 8 table when 25 will come, it will not come. So we will take smaller number, 8 3s are 24. Now 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Now this 8 we will carry down. It will become 18. In 8 table when 18 will come, it will not come. So we will take the smaller number, 8 2s are 16. Now we will subtract 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we will carry down this 4. It will become 24. In 8 table when 24 will come, 8 3s are 24. Now we have to subtract 24 minus 24, 0. So quotient equal to 323 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 4, 43,279 divided by 3. So first we will take the first digit 4. In 3 table 4 will come? No. So we will write the smaller number, 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. Now we will carry down 3. So it will become 13. In 3 table when 13 will come, it will not come. So we will take the smaller number, 3 4s are 12. So we will subtract 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we have to carry down this 2. It will become 12. In 3 table when 12 will come, 3 4s are 12. So 12 minus 12, 0. Now we have to carry down this 7. In 3 table when 7 will come, it will not come. So we will take smaller number, 3 2s are 6. So 7 minus 6, 1. So now 1 is a smaller number. So we will carry down this 9. So it will become 19. In 3 table when 19 will come, it will not come. So we will take a smaller number, 3 6 are 18. So 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So here quotient equal to 14,426 and remainder equal to 1. Now number 5, 475 divided by 14. So here this way we will write. So we will take first 2 digit 47. In 14 table when 47 will come, it will not come. So we will take smaller number, 14 3s are 42. So we will subtract 7 minus 2, 5. And 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 0. So we will carry down this 5. So it will become 55. In 14 table when 55 will come, it will not come. 14 4s are 56. So we will take again 14 3s are 55. Now 55 minus 55 we will get 0. So quotient equal to 33 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 6. 3265 divided by 12. So first two digit we will take 32. In 12 table when 32 will come, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. 36 is greater number compared to 32. So we will take 12 twos are 24. Here we have to subtract. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 4, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. Now this we will carry down this 6. It will become 86. In 12 table when 86 will come, it will not come. So we will write smaller number. 12 sevens are 84. Now 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. This 5 will come down. In 12 table 25 will come? No. So we will write 12 twos are 24. Now 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So quotient equal to 272 and remainder equal to 1. Now number 7. 9563 divided by 58. So first we will take 2 digit. In 58 table when 95 will come, so we will multiply and say 58 ones are 50, 58 ones are 51, 58, then 58 twos are 2 eights are 16, 2 fives are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So 111 is the 116 is the greater number compared to 95. So we will take 58 ones are 58. We have to subtract. Now 5 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 9. So this 9 will become 8 and this 5 will become 15. Now 15 minus 8 we will get 7. Now 8 minus 5, 3. Now 37 is the smaller number compared to 58. We can't able to divide. So we will carry down this 6. Now we have to see in 58 table when 376 will come. So we will multiply 58 by 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. So it is 290. Now we will see 58 multiplied by 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So 348. So this is nearer to 376. So we will write 58 6 are 348. Now we have to subtract. 6 minus 8 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 7. 7 will become 6 and the 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Now we have to carry down this 3. It will become 283. Now see 283. 58 5s are 290. So what we will take? We will multiply 58 by 4. So 4 8s are 32. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So we will get 58 4s are 232. So we will write here 232. Now we have to subtract 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. So 51 is here smaller than 58. So here we will stop our division. So quotient equal to 164 and remainder equal to 51. Now number 8. 869 divided by 46. So we have to see first in 46 table when 86 will come. So we will multiply by 2. 2 6 are 12. We will carry 1. 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. Now 92 is greater than 86. So we will take 46 1s are 46. Now we have to subtract. 6 minus 6 we will get 0. 8 minus 4, 4. Now 40 is smaller than 46. So we will carry down this 9. It will become 409. So in 46 table when 409 will come, so we will multiply and see. So we will multiply by 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Now 46 multiplied by 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Now we will do 46 multiplied by 8. 8 6 48, 4 8 4 32, 32 plus 4 36, 368. So 368 is nearer to 409. So we will take 46 8 368. Now we have to subtract 9 minus 8 1, and 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 4. This 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 6 4, 3 minus 3 0. Now 41 is smaller than 46, so we will stop our divide here. Now quotient equal to 18 and remainder equal to 41. After completing your sum, you have to rough your rough work. Okay. 1b, multiply. Number 1, 264 multiply by 132. So we will start from first 2. So 2 4s 8. Then 2 6s 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. Now 2 2s 4. 4 plus 1 5. Now we have to multiply by 3. Before that we have to write 1 0 in first step. Now 3 4s 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. 3 6s 18. 18 plus 1 19. So 9 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Now 3 2s 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now we have to multiply by 1. Before that we will write 2 zeros, because here how many digits are there? 3 digits. So in second digit we will write 1 0 and in third digit we will write 2 zeros. Now we will multiply by 1. 1 4s 4. 1 6s 6. 1 2s 2. Now here we have to add. Now 8 plus 0 plus 0 8. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 0 4. 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 4 18. So 8 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Now 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 6 14. So 4 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 2 3. So our answer is 34,848. Now number 2, 128 multiply by 46. So first we will multiply by 6. 6 8s 48. So 8 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 6 2s 12. 12 plus 4 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Now 6 1s 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now we will multiply by 4. Before that we will write here 1 0. Now 4 8s 32. 2 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. 4 2s 8. 8 plus 3 11. So 1 we will write down. Other 1 will be carried over. Now 4 1s 4. 4 plus 1 5. So now we have to add. 8 plus 0 8. 6 plus 2 8. 7 plus 1 8. And this 5 will come down. So this is our answer. 5888. Now number 3, 254 multiply by 532. So first we will multiply by 2. 2 4s 8. 2 5s 10. So 0 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 2s 4. 4 plus 1 5. Now we will multiply by 3. Before that we will write 1 0. Now 3 4s 12. So 1 will be carried over. 3 5s 15. 15 plus 1 16. So 1 will be carried over. 3 2s 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now we will multiply by 5. So we will write here how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay. Now 5 4s 20. So 2 will be carried over. 5 5s 25. 25 plus 2 27. So 7 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 5 2s 10. 10 plus 2 12. Now we have to add. Now 8 plus 0 plus 0 8. 0 plus 2 plus 0 2. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 0 11. So 1 we will write down. Other 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 7 15. So 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 2 3. And this 1 will come down. So our answer is 1,35,128. Number 4, 497 multiply by 124. So we will multiply by 4. 4 7s 28. So 8 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2 38. 8 will be write down. 3 will be carried over. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 19. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write here 0. 2 7s are 14. So 4 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So 9 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Now we will multiply by 1. Before that write here 2 zeros. Now 1 7s are 7. 1 9s are 9. 1 4s are 4. Now here we have to add. 8 plus 0 plus 0 8. 8 plus 4 12. So 2 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 9 19. 19 plus 7 19 plus 7 26. So 6 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. So 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 9 12. 12 plus 9 21. So 1 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 2 plus 4 6. Now number 5. 523 multiplied by 432. So we will multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Now we will multiply by 3. Before that we will write here 1 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Now we will multiply by 4. Before that we will write 2 zeros. 4 3s are 12. So 1 will be carried over. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Now 4 5s are 20. Now we have to add. Now 6 plus 0 plus 0 6. 4 plus 9 30. So 3 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. So 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 8 9. Now 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 5 15. So 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 1 2. And this 2 will come down. So our answer is 2,25,936. Now number 6. 280 multiplied by 215. So first we will multiply by 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 8s are 40. So 4 will be carried down. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. Now before multiplying by 1 we will write here 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Now we will multiply by 2. So before that we will write 2 zeros. Then 2 zeros are 0. 2 8s are 16. 1 will be carried down. Then 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So now we have to add 0. 4 plus 8 12. So 1 will be carried down. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 6 10. This 1 will be carried down. 1 plus 5 6. So our answer is 60,200. Now number 7. 342 multiplied by 190. So first we will multiply by 0. So 0 2s are 0. 0 4s are 0. 0 3s are 0. Now we will multiply by 9. Before that we will add 1 0. 9 2s are 18. So 8 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1 37. 3 will be carried over. Now 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3 30. Now we will multiply by 1. Before that we will write here 2 zeros. Now 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. Now we have to add 0. 0 plus 8 8. 8 plus 0 8. 7 plus 2 9. 4 3 plus 3 6. So our answer is 64,980. Now number 8. 178 multiplied by 224. So now we have to multiply by 4. 4 8s are 32. So 2 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 29 30 31. So 1 will be write down. 3 will be carried over. Now 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write 1 0. So 2 8s are 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. So 1 will be carried over. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write 2 zeros. 2 8s are 16. 6 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now we have to add. 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And this 3 will come down. So our answer is 39,872. Okay children, thank you.